Dear children, here your next topic is why is it important to separate religion from the state. Okay, so you just underline over here that if the majority religious group has access to state power, they could quite easily use this power and financial resources to discriminate against and persecute person of the other religion. Okay, what will happen that if any particular religion, okay, if any particular religion rules over any state, then what will happen that there will be a quite problem of discrimination. The other religion will get discriminated. The majority group, whichever religion will have majority, it will definitely discriminate with other religious group. Understood? Second point you can underline, children, over here. The majority could quite easily prevent minorities from practicing their religion. Understood? This would be the second problem over there, that majority group will prevent the minorities. Minorities means those who are less in number. The religious groups which are less in numbers, they will be called as the minorities. So the minorities will not be allowed to practice their religion freely. And what will be its end result? The tyranny. Here children, in your book, the word tyranny means cruelty. Okay, therefore the tyranny of majority and the violation of fundamental rights that can result is one reason why it is important to separate religion and separate the state and religion in democratic society. Okay, another reason, children, you can underline over here. We also need to protect freedom of individuals to exit from their religion, embrace another religion, or have freedom to interpret religious teachings differently. Understood? It gives this gives in citizens, okay, this gives citizen or any or group of individuals or any particular individual to exit from their religion, okay, and embrace other religion. They are free to embrace other religion and exit from any other particular religion. Okay, so this is the essence, or this is the beauty of the secularist country, why it is important to separate religion from the state.